In this video I am going to show how to create your own single-line Hershey text for pen plotter. For Inkscape software, I am going to use Adobe Illustrator for creating part. Let's set our artboard at 1000 by 1000 px. And set guides as your needs. Now create your letters using pen tool. Make stroke on black color, and I am making stroke weight of 40 px. Now start creating letters. I am using round caps and round joins for a smoother, more attractive look. Resize as your requirements. This is our A. There are two different paths, so we have to make compound path. Make new layer for B. Let's create B. I don't want the path to be closed, so I am keeping it as an open path. Adjust and resize it. This is our B. Repeat same process for all other letters. I already created all letters sets on another file. Here is my all letters set with only single line and open path. Now I will show how to set these all letters as Hershey Text on Inkscape. Open Inkscape. To make Hershey Text we have special typography canvas on Inkscape. To open that, go to File, New from Template, Custom, and choose Typography Canvas. And click on Create from Template button. This is Typography Canvas. Click Plus button from SVG Font Editor. Now click on Glyphs tab and Plus button. From Characters, define which character you are creating or placing. Here I am creating for capital A. Now let's go on Illustrator and copy our letter A. And paste and place on Inkscape. Now select that character and click on Get Curves button. And give width value of character with some spacing around. Repeat same process for character B. Copy from Illustrator. Go to Inkscape, click on plus, click on Edit button, and paste. Click on Get Curves button. Give advanced width. Repeat same process for all characters. After finishing all, save this file as SVG. Now let's check the output. Write something that you want to change on Hershey Text. Copy the location of SVG file we created. Select that text, go to Extensions, Text, Hershey Text. Choose Font Face, Other, and paste location of our SVG on Name/Path box. Check on Live Preview if you want to see Preview, and click on Apply button and close. Here is our Hershey Text output. Thank you.